Hi everyone, it's Corrie. Today I'm going to show you how to put this gingerbread house candy holder together. So here we are with all of the pieces cut out. I've laid all of the front pieces out in order so I could just take a look at it. So I'll just put those to the side. I've used a lot of glitter cardstock for this because I love glitter cardstock. So we've got plain white and then the glitter like this. We've got some quite delicate cuts here with these swirls and also with the candy canes. If you're having trouble cutting them, you could try using vinyl for these. You can add vinyl to card, just in the same way using transfer tape, but you need to make sure that the card that you're adding it to is like really smooth, so it doesn't tear it in any way. As you can see, we've got a little bit of a delicate cut there as well. So I'll just move everything out of the way. This is plain white. This is the base of the front. I've actually used Cricut craft board for that, and these are also Cricut craft board. With the smaller holes, these are the back pieces. And the very back piece has one of the candy canes missing at the side. And this is to allow the arm of the Irish shutter to swing. This is the Irish shutter. It's just going to go there and swing down. And there's a separate tutorial on how to put the Irish shutter together in the comments below. I think we could put the Irish shutter across the bottom if we wanted to, but I really want the gingerbread house to stand up on the bottom. So I'm going to put it on the right hand side. So I'm going to start now with the front, and I'm going to use this Beacon 3-in-1 glue for most of these pieces. Starting with the largest piece, just make sure that this circle is aligned in the middle, and then as you can see there's like a little outline in the design. So we want those two circles in the center to line up so that we can fit our dome in. As you can see, the shape of the candy cane and like the snow on the roof, you can see it takes shape as soon as you put that first piece down. It's sometimes handy to sort of take a step back, stand up and look at what you're doing so that you know it's in the right place. Sometimes if you're sitting down and you're very close, you can't see it. So for these pieces, which are a bit smaller, I'm going to use this Zig two-way glue. I've got a couple of different types here. I'm going to use this one. It's got a tip which is like a felt tip. And it's just easier for like delicate cuts to use something like this. If you're adding any card onto glitter card, I recommend using something like the Beacon glue, because I find that the Zig just doesn't stick on glitter. Again, for these delicate cuts, I'm using the Zig. And then I'm going to attach all of the rest of these other little pieces using the Beacon 3-in-1 glue. I'm sadly not one of these ladies that can use tweezers and glue efficiently. I always end up with glue all over my hands. So there we go. I sped everything up and stopped a couple of times to clean my hands. And the dome will go inside like that. That's basically your front piece ready. We're just going to set it aside and we'll work on the back. So as I said, we've got this one with a piece missing at the back. This is the Irish shutter working. This one has a longer handle than some of my other designs. It's just so that you can reach it with the house being quite large. So see, there's a little notch there. I'm thinking that the handle goes around about there and swings down. If you do this, you can see where it will open and close. As I said, you could put it at the bottom if you really wanted to. I prefer it on the right hand side. So we're going to flip that over and run glue around that outer ring, and then flip the entire thing over and line up these two circles, making sure you can see the handle at the side, just where that little notch is. So about there. And then I'm going to take this double-sided foam tape and I'm going to put it all over this area, all along the back, but avoiding where this arm is going to swing, so avoid that area. You can use foam dots for this as well. It doesn't have to be particularly pretty looking. Okay, so now that's done, we're going to take the glue again, this Beacon 3-in-1 glue, and we're going to run that along the outer ring of the iris shutter again, just like we did initially. And then we're going to sandwich the iris shutter between these two pieces. So just align them as best you can, using that center circle as a guide. I like to give it a squeeze all the way around, and then I like to check that the iris shutter is working okay, just because at this point we've used a lot of glue and foam tape and it might be that we've blocked it in some way. So I just like to check it. Then the next step is to put the front back on, like that. And then I like to use the Beacon 3-in-1 glue and run it around that center circle, remove the front, and then place the dome into the glue. Now if you can leave it to dry for quite some time, that would be great. I'm just going to do this really quickly for the tutorial. So now I'm going to put the front back on, and I can either use glue or double-sided foam tape again. The double-sided foam tape will give more of a 3D effect, but I'm just going to use glue today. So just place that on top, just like we did before, lining it up again. And again, give it a squeeze all the way around. And that is your finished candy holder. There we go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please follow and subscribe. Thanks now, bye.